Gunther vs Jey Uso, WrestleMania 41. If the main event was disappointing, the match between Gunther and Jey Uso, which opened WrestleMania, was no different. The match was slow and lacked surprises. Jey Uso's entrance with the Yeet was far too long and slowed down a match that already had low expectations. The finishers were poorly executed, which diminished the impact of several key moments in the match. And the worst part was the finish, where Gunther, the great champion, was humiliated by tapping out in less than 5 seconds.
And Jey Uso, now look at the referee Bennett. Uso splash! One here. A second Uso going for the trifecta in Vegas, connects this time.